Hello everyone. Today we're going to be going over a very brief intro to machine learning using Python and scikit-learn. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data and make predictions or take actions based on that learning. Today, we'll cover the fundamentals of machine learning, including the types of problems it can solve and the essential steps involved in building a machine learning model. Now, before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm, and with that out of the way, let's hop right into it. And also, at the end of the video, I'll link a complete machine learning projects for beginners video. If you guys want to check that out, it'll be at the end of the video. Alright, so before we start coding, let's make sure that we have the necessary libraries installed. We'll be using the scikit-learn library, which is one of the most popular machine learning libraries in Python. You can install it using pip. Since we're in collab, it's already installed. So now we're going to go over an overview of the steps that we'll follow. So first, we're going to import the necessary libraries, load and preprocess the data, split the data into training and testing sets, choose a machine learning model algorithm to create a model, train the model using the training data, evaluate the model's performance using the testing data, and make predictions using the trained model. So let's first start by importing our required libraries. Alright, so next we have to load and preprocess our data. We'll assume that we have a dataset stored in a CSV file called data.csv, and we can use the pandas library to load the data. Obviously, you would want to replace the CSV file with an actual CSV, an actual dataset that's a CSV file, and then you can use that to complete whatever machine learning algorithm we're going to be doing. So once we have that data loaded, we can split it into features X and labels Y. The features are the input variables that we'll be using to make predictions, and the labels are the target variables that we want to predict. Alright, so we drop the target variable from the X feature, and then the Y feature will be the target variable. So now that we have our features and labels, we can split the data into training and testing sets. The training set will be used to train our machine learning model, and the testing set will be used to evaluate its performance. Alright, so now with the data prepared, we can choose a machine learning algorithm and create a model. For this example, we'll just use logistic regression. Alright, so now it's actually time to train our model using the training data. And then once the model would be trained, we could evaluate its performance using the testing data. In this case, we'll use the accuracy as the evaluation metric. And finally, we can make predictions using the trained model. Alright, so that would be a simple machine learning model using scikit-learn in Python. So obviously, if you wanted to do more, you would have to replace your dataset, and you could create interactive graphs to do further data analysis. If you guys want to see more examples, real examples that you can do today, some projects for beginners, you can click the video that's on the screen right now. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment if you had any questions, and we'll catch you in the next one.